What is going on, hustlers? I want to talk to you today about retail arbitrage. You know, there's a lot of different avenues you can go down in this reselling business. And one of them is buying stuff at retail stores and flipping it for a profit. It's known as RA, or retail arbitrage. So most importantly, you know, I get a lot of people that tell me they go to like Walmart and they can't find anything. There's a tool out there, it's called BrickSeek, that will show you the inventory and the prices at various stores in your area. Now, they have a free level and they have some paid levels. And obviously, the more you pay, the more features you get. I do pay for it because there's so many valuable features in some of the additional levels that I like to use. For instance, we're in Walmart the other day, and we overhear the clerk telling another clerk how they brought out a pallet of TVs, 50-inch TVs. And we thought he said that they were like $89 or something like that. And when I looked it up on BrickSeek, they were $59. And as I looked through what other deals were running in that Walmart store, I was finding like 40-inch TVs for $25. All kinds of crazy discounts on TVs. And we're not talking like knockoff no-name brands. We're talking Vizio, Sony, LG, all kinds of different brand names that they just clearance the heck out of them. So BrickSeek is a tool you can use that'll see the various stores. Now, you know, if you're in a heavy populated area like we are here in Syracuse, you'll have Walmarts like 10, 15 minutes apart. And what amazes me is when you pull up the pricing between those stores and see how much of a difference there is. Like, I can go to one store up the street from me, and the item might be $4 or $5 cheaper than going to a store another 10 minutes away. You know, and we're talking about an item that's less than $20. That's crazy. A $4 to $5 price difference. But, you know, it is Walmart. So, I'll put a link down in the description. Go check out BrickSeek and change your retail arbitrage habits. It looks at Walmart, Target, Lowe's. Trying to remember who else. There's a few other major stores on there that it'll check the inventory and tell you what stores have them in stock, what stores don't have them in stock. You can plug in any zip code, be able to see the stores around that area. So if you're one who likes to travel or, you know, go seek stores outside of your area, man, pop it in. See what is in clearance in the store. There's a lot of times that I'll find out something's on clearance through BrickSeek that the employees in the store didn't even know it was on clearance yet. Like, I'll go wipe out an electronics area, and the employees will come by and go, well, what are you doing? You know, why are you buying so many of them? And it's like, well, because they're clearance down to $3. And they don't believe me. They go look it up on the computer, and they're like, oh, my God, it is $3. But, you know, it's just crazy stuff. All righty, hustlers, go use BrickSeek and change your business.